Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in this today's video I have for you this look. A very nice blue eyed with fuchsia lips look. This is my recommendation for you for the summer look of 2023. So if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video, my friends. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Cyan Eyebrow Styler 11 medium brown, and this is my new pencil, and from the other side it's bully. Then I have sculpted my brows with my Fit Me Maybe in the shade 20 on the underbrow area, and on the upper brow area I have sculpted them up with my Mon Rêve All Day Wear Foundation SPF 15. Then I have prepared my lid with the same concealer Fit Me Maybe in the shade 20, and then I have set it up my lid with my Sabrina Rudnick pressed powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this today's look, my friends, I will show you a summer look, a blue-eyed light summer look. I will use my Pop Fill palette with this. It has all these intense colors, and I will start with this in the middle, which is a very nice dark blue, and I will try to do my outer corner with this flat brush, starting from the outer corner and turn it up under my brow bone, this dark blue. Always when we want to apply first the outer corner, the darkest shadow, we do this technique, starting from the outer corner and turn it up under the brow bone a little. And the same color, turn it up on the inner part of the lid. With the same color, you don't need much color on this type of technique. Then I will take that with a bigger fluffy brush, and I will take that with a blue color, an undertone lighter color, and I will apply it on the crease to connect the crease with the outer corner. As we have told, this is a color blue-eyed look for today's look, my friend. Then I will have some cut crease first, because we want to clear a little the area before we apply the liquid shadow, because it's a little intense. So I'm gonna, with my concealer brush and my concealer, clear the lid area a little. With the same concealer we use on our eyes, we clear a little the area, because we have told that it is an intense blue on the lid, so we need to clear it. If you want an intense lid, when we apply the concealer, we clear the area. Don't set up this part of the eye with powder. Leave it with the concealer, just a minute, some seconds to get dry, and continue with my Cosmo Fan 110 flat brush, and taking this, which is a very nice shimmery rose, shimmery pink color, and applying it on the clean area. Then from the same palette, I'm taking this pencil brush and taking a little of that purple color to connect the two shades, the pink and the blue. Connecting the lightest, always we do that. We connect the outer part of the eye, which is the very dark, with the inner part of the lid, which is the lightest part of the eye. So we need a shadow in a color between the two of them, and I took that with the medium color to connect the two shadows together. Don't leave it blue or pink, it will be very hard. We need to connect them with another color. Beautiful. What else? Then I will take my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow palette to apply some highlighter on the under part of the brow. Very beautiful ice pink highlighter. Just a few coffee while I work, like I always do. Going to do my other eye camera first and coming back. My lids are ready, and now if I want to wear a classic black liner, you can leave it as it is, although you can wear any blue liner and the classic black. I think I will wear the blue because we want a blue liner, so I will wear my Golden Rose Style Liner Metallic eyeliner, excuse me. If you want, wear and the black, leave it as it is, and the blue, anything you want. I will wear the blue because we want the blue look. My blue liner is ready, and now moving on to the false lashes, as we always need. I'm gonna wear these type of lashes, which are and big and thick. Of course, before that I will use my lash curler and my Vortex mascara, and coming back for it. My eyes are completely ready, and now we're moving on to the rest of the face. Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer. As we always do, we apply our primer before our foundation. For me, hydrating primer because I have a combo dry skin. For you, the same, you have the same skin type, or a mattifying primer if you are an oily person. And of course, before that, we have done the whole previous skincare, my morning skincare, because now I think it's 10 o'clock, 10 and quarter. Moving on. Super Stay Active Wear, 30 hours Maybelline 10 Ivory. All day wear. I'm gonna mix one matte, one moisturizing, hydrating, two foundations. I always mix the foundation, you know that, because I believe that we cannot find exactly the right shade for us. So we have to mix some foundation, and my Cosmo Fan Kabuki number 104 brush. Applying the whole product first with my Kabuki brush, then I finish with my beauty blender. NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. This flat, fluffy, big brush, some part on the inner part of the eye, of the eyelid, some on the outer corner, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, and some product on the chin. And taking the classic beauty blender to apply nicely the product. Mon Reve Tan Effect Cream. This is my liquid contouring, liquid bronzer. Mon Reve Tinted 6 Liquid Blush number 04. Taking applying it with a brush. Very beautiful product this is. If you want to apply liquid product, then you have above them to apply and powdery. If you don't want liquid product, continue only use only powdery product. But if you want a liquid, you have to apply both of them. The liquid product, you have to apply them quickly because they are getting dry very quick, I have to say. And Cyan Beauty product, a very nice golden glow. With my middle finger I apply that liquid highlighter, like a mousse. Apply some with my finger on the nose and on the cupid bow. And continue to apply that with my beauty blender. Eyebrow loose powder. Setting up the bottom eye area. Of course, loose powder for the whole face and the bottom eye area, and compact powder for the rest of the face, not the under eye area. Mon Rive compact powder. Set up the whole face. Not the under eye area, we have told that. Compact powder for the whole face. Continue. MUA Bronze Perfection. My powdery bronzer. On the same point we have applied the previous liquid bronzer. Cyan highlighting powder. Peach to pink blush. On the same point. And of course, Face Studio Chrome Metallic Highlighter, 100 molten gold. Beautiful highlighter on the cheekbones over the liquid highlighter, on the cupid bow and on the temple. Now we have to end up with the bottom eye area. Just a few coffee while we work, we need that. Taking the darkest blue to apply on the under bottom eye area, the darkest blue. Continue with the lightest blue to match the darkest. And on the inner part we apply the pink color we applied on the lid. The same to the other eye. And some mascara on the bottom lashes. On the upper lashes we have applied, before we wear the false lashes, we have applied mascara. And the last step, the lips. Elixir Lip Pencil 056, a very nice fuchsia, pink, dark pink fuchsia color. And Mon Rive Inky Lips Liquid Lipstick number 16. This is a very nice dark pink fuchsia color, and this is it, matte lipstick for the whole day, I have to say. If you love matte, this is all matte. And of course, the last step is our Fiore Vita fixing spray. Any fixing spray you have. We need it to make our makeup last during all the day. Let's fix our brows. Well, my friends, this is my complete finished look for you. It is a summer look, the classic blue eyes look with pink. These are two colors we wear in the summer very often. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!